Hey everybody, how are you? I'm in my pajamas because we're going to fire this up, season it, and cook our first breakfast on it.
Before you get knocked out.
Okay, so this is it. What do you think of it?
It's great. Texture. I think it's wonderful. Really good. As my dog burns his nose.
Texas is already hounding at the barbecue grill. Alright, so we had bacon and sausage. John likes scrambled eggs. I need a scraper for the top of it. Maybe we'll go back to the halfway house and ask Anthony what kind of tools you can throw my way. Okay, happy breakfast on the flat griddle, the Blackstone. And the dogs are going to hover over that. Got to keep an eye on them. All right, everybody. See you later.